Hello, myself Nehal Nayak, embryologist from Surat. Today I am going to share my journey, how I became an embryologist till owning an IVF center. My journey began with a BSc in life science, followed by DMLT, and while working in a pathology lab, I developed my love for microscopes. So while I was working as an pathology technician or a laboratory technician in a pathology lab, parallelly in my personal life, I was struggling with infertility. So I started searching about the options, how could I conceive? And when I came to know about IVF, so my love for microscope and interest in IVF got me into the embryology field. So to know more about IVF, I applied at Oxford University. But according to their eligibility criteria, I must be a postgraduate to apply for it. So I started my MSc in microbiology here in India. After completing my masters in microbiology, I was searching where could I go and learn more about embryology. And then I saw an ad in my neighborhood, like a new IVF center is coming in my neighborhood, and I immediately jumped into applying it there. And I got my first chance in an IVF lab or an andrology lab initially. So I started working as an andrology technician in an IVF center. I was so excited that I got a job as an andrology technician and I will get to know more about embryology and I will get to know what else happens in embryology lab. But guess what? My dreams got completely shattered when I was not allowed to enter the embryology lab. And so I was searching for another option. Where can I get another job? After 1 year, I got a job as a junior embryologist in Pondicherry, and where I entered the embryology lab and did know about actual embryology procedures and started working and doing IVF in that lab. Going to Pondicherry to relocate with all my family, my kid, and that was a very big decision for me. But still, I promised myself, however hard it will be, I will go there, I will learn ICSI and come back and work as an embryologist. So I came back after 1 year from Pondicherry and I started working as a freelance embryologist in Surat. While I was working as a freelance embryologist, I decided I should learn more because I wanted to start an academy to train embryologists. So I went to Monash and did my masters in clinical embryology, came back to India and started my own training academy for embryologists, which is Fusion IVF Training Academy in 2019. After working as a freelance embryologist for 15 years, I opened my own ART bank last year, and this year I am coming up with my own IVF center in Vesu in Surat called Fusion Fertility. So this is my journey from an laboratory technician to become an embryologist to open an ART bank and today to open an IVF center. So hope you liked it and you get inspired by this journey.